Hello. So finally the day is here. CAT notification is out, though not officially on any website, but yes, I mean it has been leaked, you can say, and by tomorrow it will be there in the leading newspapers. So going by this notification, the registration for the exam will start from 4th of August, and the last day to apply is 15th of September. The fee structure is 2200 rupees for the unreserved category and 1100 rupees for the reserved category. Now the most important part, as we all must be actually thinking about, that what is going to be the structure of the exam. So it looks like it is going to be the same structure as that of last year. So basically it will be a 2-hour exam in 3 slots, and in each slot of course 2 hours, and in 2 hours we'll be having 3 sections of 40 minutes each. So as last year they were there 26 questions in verbal ability, 24 questions in LRDI, 26 questions in quantitative ability, so a total of 76 questions. So that is exactly the same that is going to be there this year as well, right? तो बिल्कुल उसी तरह का पेपर होने वाला, दो यू कांट से कि इसका मतलब डिफिकल्टी लेवल भी वही रहेगा, हम लोग अज्यूम कर लेते हैं because we have been getting these questions from many students. I am अहमदाबाद करा रहा है, so what will be the difficulty level? आसान होगा, मुश्किल होगा, क्या DI ज़्यादा आएगा, LR ज़्यादा आएगा? I would say यार just don't think about those things. Just prepare well. जो आता है एग्जाम में उसके लिए अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कीजिए. This is the time that you should get more serious now because the notification is here. So now the real race starts. ठीक है, अब शुरू कीजिए अपनी सही पढ़ाई, because we have entered into that stage where now we see, okay, it is going to happen very soon. Jaldi hi hone wala hai, right? So the other dates I think would be there by tomorrow in the notification, but the common dates that I have told you: 4th August the registration starts, 15th September it ends, by October end it will be providing you the admit card, and the most important part, when is the exam? It is on 28th of November, as we of course had predicted, because it is always on the last Sunday of November. So this year again it is going to be on 28th of November 2021, and that is all about this. I think the other details would be out very soon. So all the best to everyone. So just start now.